AITA for locking my wife out of the bedroom because she started snoring. I swear I never thought snoring would become the thing that nearly ruins my sleep and my marriage, but here we are. So about 2 weeks ago, my wife suddenly starts snoring. Not chainsaw level, but just loud enough to wake me up every single time. And once I'm awake, that's it, I'm done. No going back to sleep. I didn't want to embarrass her or kick her out of our room, so I just quietly grabbed my pillow and went to the guest room. Thought it'd be simple. Thought she'd sleep peacefully and I'd finally get some rest. But sometime in the middle of the night, she wakes up, realizes I'm gone, and follows me. Straight into the guest room. Climbs into bed next to me. Starts snoring again. And boom, another night gone. I told her the next morning, hey, you started snoring again. And she just shrugged, like it was nothing. No apology, no conversation, just shrug. Days pass and she keeps doing it, waking up, noticing I'm not beside her, coming into the guest room and snoring me out of sleep all over again. Every single night. So yeah, I started locking the guest room door. And now she says I'm denying her and being dramatic, even though she knows exactly why I moved rooms in the first place. She finally booked a doctor's appointment a few days ago, but until then, she keeps acting like I'm punishing her instead of literally trying to sleep. So now I'm wondering, am I the jerk for locking the door just to get some rest? Or is she ignoring the problem and making it about rejection instead of the actual issue? AITA.